This is Planable, the content collaboration platform for social media teams. Whether you're in-house or agency side, we'll help you and your team to create, approve, and publish social media content faster. In this demo, we will take you through our platform and explore how it can help you and your team take your social media efforts to the next level. So, let's get started. In your company dashboard, each brand you manage has its own dedicated space. We call these groups workspaces. They house all the relevant channels and content which you can share with specific team members. You can set up a workspace for one brand or for several regions for the same brand. You get the idea. Planable was built from the ground up to support effortless collaboration. You can invite everyone involved in your content's efforts to Planable while defining their roles or assigning granular permissions. When working with stakeholders, you want to make sure they can only see content ready for review, right? Mark them as a client, and this will later allow you to set the visibility of posts and comments within the workspace. Once you've set up your workspace, you can start adding in your content. Everyone can see exactly how the content will look once it goes live. We know how annoying it is when expectations don't meet reality. You'll get a pixel-perfect preview for any format, from thumbnail links to images, carousels, videos, GIFs, or even offers and events on any of the social networks we support: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or Google My Business. Planable generates the post preview in real time as you're putting it together, and any media you upload, image or video files, will be saved to your workspace's media library. You can navigate it without any extra clicks and stay in context at all times. It slides in from the right while you continue working on content and drop the media when you're ready. You can also select multiple pages when creating posts. If you want to make individual changes to one of those posts, toggle Sync Off and edit the content without affecting the other duplicated posts. If the post is still a draft, you can choose to make it visible only to your internal team until it's ready to be reviewed by everyone else. Once you've created and saved your post, you'll see it in your feed with all the relevant details, including what labels you've applied. You can use labels to organize your posts any way you want, by campaign, topic, content pillar, product class, or whatever works best for your strategy. You can also use labels later on, along with status and time frame, to quickly sift through everything and find exactly what you need. With Planable, you can say goodbye to never-ending email threads. You can get feedback in context right next to your posts. Each post has its own set of comments, complete with threaded replies, all in one place. Here you can tag other team members to send them a notification, attach any important files, react to or resolve comments to mark them as done. You can also add internal notes for any behind-the-scenes conversations, visible to your team only. Need a quick review from someone outside of Planable? Send them the private link to the post. They'll be able to view it and leave feedback without the hassle of signing up. In Planable, it's easy to know when your content received final sign-off. Stakeholders and clients can approve posts with one single click. You can set up your own approval workflow, choosing between no approvals whatsoever, optional approval, required approval, or multi-level approval. Approvers can easily review posts, give feedback, and approve them on the go directly from our mobile app. Once posts have green light, they can be published, scheduled for later, or sent to Ads Manager. To make your workflow bulletproof, you can set content to be locked after approval, and the posts to be automatically scheduled once they're approved. There are 4 different ways of visualizing and working with content in Planable. The main one is the visually accurate feed view, which we've explored so far. You can also look at the calendar view, where you can get a quick glance at what's planned for your channels for the next week or month. You can rearrange content by dragging and dropping posts, and to make your life even easier, you can set up a timetable of predefined slots according to your scheduling habits. For fast and powerful actions, we've got the list view, where you can select multiple posts and take any bulk actions that you need, such as approving all at once, scheduling, deleting, or even copying posts on another page or in other workspaces. With Instagram's popularity, we've got to ensure your grid looks perfect And for that, our grid view is perfect. Accurately visualize your grid, plan in advance, and rearrange your content to make sure it will all come together into a cohesive story. Oh, and talking about stories, on Planable you can easily create, preview, and collaborate on them as well. This is Planable, content review and collaboration made easy. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let us know. We're always happy to help teams work together better.